to make it volcano.
Pour the entire contents of the volcano plaster bag into a large disposable container. What's the plaster?
Pour a volcano into a volcano. What is it? 34 minutes.
Pour. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig.
I'm ready.
For the
This is my volcano.
there. Go ahead, take this out. Take this out. Take this out. Oh, I forgot. We have to paint it first. Okay, watch, watch. Squeeze it. Go around it. Paint it.
I painted my volcano. Sweet. This one?
The white part.
What?
Just the white part.
Yellow.
Good. Eruption powder. Mix it well. The volcano is
ready.
open. Okay. Okay, pour some water. A little bit.
Another.
Okay.
It's good.
It's good?
It's good. Good.
The volcano is erupting.
Ready.
Is erupting.
Wow. La 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 la. Wow. What's the volcano?
It's a type of mountain.
Yes.
There's an opening. There's an opening in the Earth's surface. And then, look, this is the magma. It comes out, becomes lava.
It's a big.
It's big.
Vitamin C.
Like mommy's vitamin C.
Parts of the volcano.
Wow. My goodness. No. It's a water.
Add the powder first, then the water.